Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on our channel. Today, we're introducing the DIY removal method for bicycle handle grips. First, make sure the grips are not damaged and have no fixing screws. You need a hairdryer, a screwdriver, and lubricant. Heat with a hairdryer for a few minutes to loosen the grip. Now you can turn the grip a little bit. Insert a screwdriver into the gap between the grip and the handlebar from the inside of the grip. Then drip or spray lubricating liquid into the gap. And turn appropriately to ensure full lubrication. Alternately turn and gently pull the grip to slide it off the handlebar. The second method requires 2 pairs of hands and an air pump with a needle. First, ensure there are small holes on both sides of the bicycle grip for subsequent operations. Next, use one hand to cover one small hole, making sure both holes are successfully blocked. Then activate the air pump. A manual pump can also be used. Finally, while inflating with the air pump, turn the grip back and forth to easily remove it. Thank you for watching. If our video has been helpful, please give us some encouragement. See you in the next video.